Life is short, but most people live like they've got unlimited time. You know the line, I'll do it someday. New job, better body, call your parents, start the channel. Here's the thing, someday is a trap word. Most people don't realize how small the number is. Average life is roughly 70-something years. That's about 26 to 27,000 days. If you're 30, a big chunk is already gone, and none of it comes back. Here's what most people don't understand. You don't lose time in one big moment, you leak it quietly. And the usual fix people try is motivation. Nope. Motivation is a mood. It shows up, it disappears. Discipline is a system. And your system is usually built to keep you comfortable, not fully awake. Ever notice how summers felt endless when you were a kid? Because your days were packed with new. One morning could feel like a whole adventure. You'd jump around some random junkyard, toss a ball into someone's yard, climb up into an attic, grab apples straight off a tree, ride bikes with your friends all the way to the river. And when your mom called you for lunch, you'd beg, just one more minute. Your brain was recording everything. Now, same route, same screen, same scroll. Your brain stops logging the day, so the year disappears. And this is where it gets really interesting. You can't slow the clock, but you can stop living on autopilot. Quick story. A guy I know kept saying he'd visit his dad when things calmed down. Then his dad got sick. Now he's driving across town on weekdays to the hospital, not for fun, for real life. Picking up meds, sitting in silence, having the conversations he kept postponing. And he told me, I didn't need more time, I needed fewer excuses. Science says this, your behavior follows your environment more than your promises do. So here are 3 simple moves. Step 1, the 10-minute truth audit. Write 2 lists. A, what I say matters. B, what I actually spend time on. Find one mismatch. Fix that one this week, not your whole life. One mismatch. Step 2. One novelty anchor per week. One new route, one new skill session, one new place, one new conversation. It forces your brain to pay attention again. Your weeks stop blending into one gray blur. Step 3. Kill the daily time leak. Pick one rule. No phone for the first 30 minutes of your morning, or no social apps after 9 p.m. Here's the secret. Remove the trigger and you stop needing motivation to resist it. Right now you might think, okay, but my life is complicated. Yeah, everyone's is. That's why you don't need a perfect plan. You need a few strong rules you can actually follow. Life doesn't reward intentions, it rewards what you repeat. If this hit you, subscribe. We build discipline like adults. Simple, real, consistent. And tell me in the comments, what's one thing you keep pushing to someday that you'll start this week?